What breathing exercise would you recommend to do on a daily basis to have increased cognitive function? So you're in a better position to learn, complete a task, make better decisions.
Yeah, there's quite a few. One of the circuit breakers I talk about in the book is called alternate nasal breathing. This is an ancient pranayama tradition from the Indian culture, from the Eastern world. And effectively what we're doing is balancing our hemispheres, our left and our right brain. And in that place, that's when we actually can receive information and also make decisions. Sometimes we're too emotional. Sometimes we're too analytical, logical. Our best decisions come when they're in harmony. So what we do here is we put our fingers on our in between our eyebrows, what they call the third eye. We put we index finger and our middle finger there. And then we have our right thumb on one nostril and then our ring finger on another nostril. And what we're going to do is we're going to breathe in for a count of 4 through one nostril while one nostril's locked up. And I'll describe this. Then we're going to hold for 2. Then we're going to block one nostril, open the other nostril and breathe out through that nostril for 4. And then we're going to hold and then we're going to go back through the same cycle. So I'm going to guide you through this. So blocking the left nostril with your ring finger first, and then breathing in through the right for 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Hold for 2. Now block the right and open up the left and breathe out through the left for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in through that same nostril for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Block the left nostril and breathe out through the right for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Now breathe in through that same nostril for 4, 3, 2, 1. Block the right nostril, open the left and breathe out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in through that same left nostril for 4, 3, 2, 1. Block the left nostril and breathe out for the right nostril for 4, 3, 2, 1. And then just return back to normal breath and observe how you're feeling compared to before you started.
I love this one. I actually know about this exercise and I completely forgot about it. I guess it just wasn't on top of my mind and I was not using it, but it's also very powerful. When do you use this one?
Yeah, so I use this one when I'm feeling myself a little bit scattered and I just want to ground myself. And it was interesting, like before you shared that you're a little bit tired at the moment. And it was interesting, I observed after you did that breath, it was like a perk of energy just came up. Your smile, your eyes changed, and it brought connection. Great one to do at the start of meetings. Like sometimes in the meetings, we're jumping from one thing to the next, and we just need to land a little bit. And when we're in that place, we're more present, we're more engaged, we're not on the edge of just anxiousness.
I love it. It's such a great exercise and it takes almost no time. So anyone can do it.
Yeah, that's the beautiful thing about these is the circuit breakers. The circuit breakers are an idea that we can't control the energy from the outside world. That's the one thing we can't control. However, we do have the choice to go, do we want this energy to activate some of our perhaps less desirable programs in our life? And we know we all have less desirable programs because sometimes we do behaviors and then we reflect on them and went, what just happened? Like, why did I just get angry at that person? Why did I snap at that person? Why did I shut down? That's because we've got some form of subconscious program, which is a negative belief, which has been activated by the other person's energetic state. Now, we know in reflection, sometimes those behaviors can cause a lot of harm. And then we have to spend all this time and energy getting out of that situation or rectifying it. And often we don't even know the damage we've done. So wouldn't it be better to realize, oh, I'm feeling an energy from the outside world. I'm feeling tension. I don't want this to activate my subconscious program. Instead, I'm going to do one of these breaths. I'm going to stop in the present moment. I'm going to calm down and go consciously, what do I need to do right now? And if we had leaders who were doing that, productivity, performance would go through the roof, but also the satisfaction of team members would be out of this world. And we would have this harmony and this unity rather than one leader who can just ruin a culture quite quickly because they're not aware of their actual behaviors. And this isn't just leaders, this is anyone in the team as well. But leaders have such a asymmetric influence on an organization. Like a leader really does influence the culture of an organization.